Since our first example is on the effect of directed energy weapons and future high technology weapons on society, let's type in the keywords future warfare and directed energy weapons. And as you can see, it has returned quite a few results, 88,400 approximate results, and the first few do look quite promising, especially the second one, the future warfare and the decline of human decision making by Adams, parameters 2001. And so we click on the article, and here it is, the article in PDF, Future Warfare and the Decline of Human Decision Making by Adams 2001. And as you can see, this one does not have an author supplied abstract, so we would have to make it ourselves. And we translate the article into this abstract Blitz table, and here it is, the author and year, the title and the journal, and the abstract, which I have written myself after reading through the article. The yellow highlight denote the important points that I would want to mention, or I would like to reread after I have completed the abstract Blitz for this particular project. So what I'd like to show you at this point is a completed abstract Blitz table on the DEW that I have made using the same keywords and going through the list and finding different sources that I thought would be relevant. This red piece, the piece completely in red, is a piece that I felt necessary for me to go back and read the entire piece rather than just looking at the abstracts. And here we are. For the second example, we are interested in tackling the age-old question about warfare and human nature. Specifically, we are interested in examining the relationship between interstate rivalries, conflict frequencies, war initiations, and war recurrences. For this next demo, I'm going to use the research project example of interstate rivalry and warfare initiation, and I'm going to use the second abstract Blitz table that was shown on the previous slide. So, here we go. And here it returns, once again, quite a large number of results. And you can always put in some more keywords to narrow these results down. And for me, this fourth result is something interesting, so I will download it. And here it is. Here is the downloaded version. And this particular paper has a author supplied abstract, which makes our lives a little bit easier. So using the second table that was shown on the previous slide, here we have author, which is Hansel, year, the title of the work, dependent variable that the author is looking at, which is rivalry establishment, independent variables. He has early phase, intermediate phase, and advanced phase that he looks at on rivalry establishment. The method that he uses to examine this is evolutionary method with statistical and empirical examinations. Unit of analysis obviously is the conflict events themselves, and the geographic area is global. And here is the abstract, which we have basically cut and pasted from the author supplied abstract from the article. And you can do this as many articles as you need to for this particular research project. Today we have gone over what is an abstract Blitz and how to conduct one. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask your instructor with your specific questions.